Today I'm going to teach you how to move around during a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is incredibly useful because you don't have to stay glued to the meeting window the entire time. You can multitask, check messages, and navigate through Teams while staying connected to your call. So, let's assume that you are already inside a meeting. On the top right corner of your meeting window, you'll notice a minimize icon. Go ahead and click on it to minimize your call. This is a simple but powerful feature that keeps you in the meeting while freeing up your screen for other tasks. As you can see, you're still on the call. The audio and video connection remains active, but now you have access to the rest of Microsoft Teams. This means you can stay engaged with the meeting while handling other important work simultaneously. One of the first things you can do is click on Chat. This opens up your Teams chat panel where you can message other people or reply to their messages. Whether it's a quick update to a colleague or responding to an urgent question, you can handle all your messaging needs without leaving the meeting. Your audio remains connected, so you won't miss any important discussion points. The beauty of this feature is that you're still in the meeting, but you can access your entire Microsoft Teams workspace. For instance, you can navigate to communities if you need to check on any community discussions or updates. This is particularly helpful if you're part of multiple groups and need to stay on top of various conversations. You can also go to your Teams section. Here you can view all the teams you're part of, check channels, or even review shared files and documents. This allows you to reference important information during your meeting without having to disconnect or ask someone to share their screen. Another useful area you can access is your calendar. Click on the calendar icon to view your upcoming meetings, schedule new ones, or check the details of today's appointments. This helps you plan ahead and manage your time effectively, all while remaining present in your current meeting. You can also check your activity feed. This shows you all recent notifications, mentions, and updates across Teams. If someone has tagged you in a message or if there's been activity in a channel you follow, you'll see it here. This ensures you don't miss any important updates while you're occupied with your meeting. And that's how you move around during a Microsoft Teams meeting. You've successfully learned to minimize your call window and navigate through different sections of Teams while staying connected. This flexibility makes it easy to multitask and stay productive during lengthy meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.